What's up guys, Sebastian Escueta here. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few niches, 7 to be exact, and then I'll have a bonus thing at the end. Also, side note, it's a different scenery. I'm at the beach right now, so that's why I'm not in my office. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go through. So I'm gonna start a screen recording and I'll show you guys top 7 niches that you guys should sell in this last 6 months of the year. And then I'll also show you guys exact products you can sell within these niches. I'll give you 2 examples for each niche. So let's just get into my computer. Okay, so the first niche is going to be outdoors type of products like tactical gear that people are gonna use for hiking and stuff like that. Because this summer, a lot of people are doing more hiking, they're being outside more, and they're doing a lot more stuff like that, as well as camping. Camping is going to be pretty big within the next few months. So these 2 products that I'm gonna show you guys are going to fit really well into this like outdoorsy tactical type of niche. And overall, outdoors products sell really well in the summertime, so I would suggest you get on those and try to figure out what trends are going to pop off before they do. I'll give you again 2 products in specifics. This tactical jacket, I thought this was a brand, this Hypes Fit. It's actually drop shipping, but the product looks amazing, that one and that one. These are both drop shipping and they're great products. They're marketed as like tactical jackets that you can take out and explore in, and they're not going to get dirty. They're going to be super sturdy and stuff like that. This is definitely a niche specific product that has a very specific audience, but this product has been advertised for a little bit, and I know it's doing big numbers because I have a store I follow that has basically all the latest and greatest products, and they're selling this. So this is a great seller. It's a tactical jacket. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm sure you guys hopefully have seen this tactical shovel. This is selling well on Facebook and Google. It's basically this little kit right here, exactly what it is. But it's a tactical shovel that has multi-purposes. So it's a 23-in-1 multi-purpose shovel that's foldable and fits into like a little bag. So this is a great product because again, people who hike and camp need these products that have multiple purposes, because if you're backpacking, you only have what fits into your backpack. So if you have to have a shovel for 10 different things or 23 different things, and you have that tool that can do it all, this is a great product because it saves space and time to plan out exactly what you're going to use for your camping trip. So this is another great product I would suggest you guys use in the outdoors / tactical niche. The next niche is fitness and well-being of your health. These fitness bands in specifics, all of these sell really well. People won't go to the gym probably for the next year. Some people won't because they're scared of what's going on in the world and their health, and they're scared of getting sick and dying. So people will work out at home probably for the next 6 months to 1 year, which means this product will still sell well in a few months. It will sell well for a while until people start gradually accepting the fact that they're not going to die most likely, so from everything going on. So this is another great product, and you can sell it to quite a few people, not just fitness niche. Like, that's not who you target for this. You can kind of just target most people on Facebook and Google and get a lot of sales, just because people are wanting to watch out for their health, because humans right now are very sedentary. So this is going to help out a lot. And then the next one, I put in a pull-up bar. There are a lot of pull-up bars being sold. These work really well. Again, gyms, people aren't going to be working out at those. They are opening up, but again, there is that group of people who are still going to be scared. So if you can sell something like this that attaches to your door frame, boom, that's a great product that you could easily sell and make quite a bit of money with it. This next niche, I picked cycling. For example, I have a bike that I hadn't rode in probably a year, maybe over a year, and the tires were flat. And I spent over $100 to get new tubes and new tire, like the rubber part, over it. I spent over $100 on that, and I still haven't rode it. I like working out, not doing cardio, but I'll get to it eventually. But these sell really well, these biking vests, because a lot of people like riding bikes at night, and it tends to be cooler at night, and you don't really have a crazy amount of other people cycling. So having something that reflects your light, if you're driving a car, you can't really see bikers if they're in all black or if they're just in basically anything because it's so dark. So if you have this reflector vest that is going to project the light that's shined onto it and show that there's a biker there, that makes it very safe, like especially this one right here with the arrows. That is cool because then you will have a safe way to exercise, and it's a good sell point. You can sell people based on that safety feature. Like, this product help this many people stay safe during cycling at night or something like that. So these are good products as well. All of these vests, specifically this LED one, that one's really cool. I actually saw that one a year ago, and apparently it's still selling because they're running Google ads still. So great product. Again, this cycling niche is very good. This next one I found on AliExpress as well, and it's a auto braking light. So it syncs up with your bike, and when you slow down, it shows the light to show that you're braking and not just cruising at a certain speed. So this is an awesome attachment that can genuinely show that a bike is slowing down, because if you're in a group of cyclists or you're on a bike trail and something like that, and you have to slow down and stop to grab water from your backpack or something, sometimes we can't tell if you're, I'm saying we, I don't really cycle, people can't really tell sometimes if you're slowing down. That's why cars have brake lights, same thing. So if someone's riding right behind you and then you need to slow down, maybe they don't get the hint that you're slowing down. But with this product, you can again also inform people who you're selling the product to that, hey, you know, this many injuries happen from people not knowing that people are slowing down on their bike. This is how we fix the problem with this brake light for your bike. So another great niche, the cycling one. Okay, this next one, fishing. Fishing is a great niche simply because a lot of people enjoy fishing as is, but now a lot of people want to go outside and stuff and do outdoors activities. This goes back to the outdoors niche. But fishing, it's a fun activity. You can do it any time of the year, I believe, and it's good for group bonding and stuff. So having this little pen, this pocket pen fishing rod, basically, it's literally the size of a pen. This is a great product. It's been a great product for a while. Specifically right now, this product's doing really well just because, again, everything going on has made certain niches thrive and just kill it with sales and search volume. So this is a great product. The margins are pretty solid. There are a decent amount of competitors, but if you have a better landing page or something than them, you will not have any issue selling the product. Okay, this next one, it's fishing lures. So there is a specific one on Facebook. Yep, this one right here. This one has been selling really, really well on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and Google ads clearly. So it looks exactly like a swimming fish, and there's an actual brand that's created this, and then a lot of people just kind of copied it. These types of products are selling really well also because the ad creatives are amazing. They show how perfect the fish looks, the lure looks in the water, and it looks exactly like a real fish. And they basically just sell the hell out of the product. So this product has been working really, really well. Again, these right here. And it's all about the ad copy with this. And then also once you land on the website, upselling with these bundles and stuff like that. So this, again, is another cool product. This is very niche specific because in order to buy this, you already have to be fishing and have to already have a fishing pole. And there is a specific audience you have to target for this. But again, nonetheless, it is a great product. Okay, this next niche is health. So health as a whole, people are definitely taking note of their health more often during the times we're living in right now. People are worried about their backs, their muscles, getting healthy, taking care of themselves, all of that stuff. And chiropractors are not open, which means you need certain products to still get those, adjustments or massages, stuff like that. That's why the Theragun, the massage guns, those are selling well. This neck hammock is something I've seen quite a bit. I would personally buy one of these. Like, I just see it and it seems so relieving. Like, it seems like it would just take so much stress off of my neck. And I work sitting up, so I can understand why people would buy this product. And as you can see, there's so many people selling it. So yes, this product is pretty competitive, but nonetheless, you still probably could hop in it. And if this product, not specifically, there are similar products that do help relieve stress and relieve pain somewhere. So this is a good product, but overall, these products that are sort of like relieving pain or stress in a certain area, they're selling really well. This next one is still in the health niche. It's more specific though to anti-aging. This product has been selling well for quite some time, and I just Googled anti-aging device and it came up. So this one is the one I'm talking about, and this right here. So for this product, you can source it for around $20, which is a solid margin considering, oops, not this one, considering you can sell it for around $60, and this listing is on top, and I believe they're drop shipping as well. So anti-aging is a great little niche. There are a lot of products you can sell within this, but specifically this anti-aging 5-in-1 LED light device, this one works well. And again, there are a lot of listings. So this is another good product, has solid margins, and you can definitely sell a lot of them. Okay, this next niche is games. So specifically, I'm going to discuss this. It's a portable ping pong table set. So it comes with this net and the paddles and a ball or a few balls. This one is exactly what I'm talking about. So, or actually this one. So this product has been selling extremely well due to the fact that a lot of people are bored and a lot of people want to play games. So this is something I can pack up and bring wherever I want. If I'm going to hang out with friends, I can bring this, and we can literally set it up on a coffee table, on a dining table. It doesn't really matter. This product is really good. I saw a website that was selling their actual site for, I think, $100,000 or something, because they had scaled this product to over $100,000, I'm pretty sure, per month in the past like 3 months. So I know this product's selling really well. Again, I know why too. It's just a lot of people are bored and want to do something to pass time while they're all locked up at home. Obviously, the lockdown has been lifted in most places, but this is still nonetheless a great product. And then another one is puzzles. Puzzles are also selling really well, which I'm sure that's kind of odd, right? But puzzles are selling really well. There's been a lot of TikTok videos I've seen on certain puzzles. There's some that you can actually, this is one right here, you can personalize puzzles, so a print-on-demand puzzle, all sorts of stuff, but puzzles in general sell really well right now in specifics. Okay, so those are the niches that I have for this video. One more thing though, it's a niche, I don't have specific products, but understand this concept. So school is normally in session. I don't actually know, summer might have started right now, but nonetheless, a lot of daycares are closed and a lot of kids that aren't usually home are home, which means parents are more than happy to buy stuff to keep their kids occupied, whether it's a game, a toy, a drawing, like, I don't know, drawing stuff. I saw one like drawing pad that was LED on Facebook, so that probably sells well. But kids are at home more than often because there are those families that, you know, have their kids in daycare all the time, and now they're at home and they don't spend money at daycare, which means they have money to spend on games and other stuff to just keep their kids occupied, because again, a lot of kids are not supposed to be home right now. They're supposed to be in daycare or something along those lines. So that I don't have a specific products, but keep that in mind. And maybe if you can think of a specific product, you could probably sell it and make a solid amount of money. But those are the niches I suggest for you guys and some products. They all sell really well. Some obviously have some competition and such. But that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, click subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.